And here's the 330A. It's not here. Just rode that one. That one has a side door. Who knows what this is going to be like? It's probably going to be pretty boring. Just a standard 330A VR. Maybe it'll be 400A, but we'll see. I doubt it though, based on how slow it's running. Here it is. It's kind of funny. Nah, this is a 330A. Yeah. Oh. Your clothes works on this one. You don't see these kinds of elevators with working close buttons. Might have to test that again. It's needed. There you go. Now I gotta test and what the hell? Okay, open. Yeah, close works on this one. I don't think I've ever seen that show. Alright, here we go. It was smooth until that happened. Oh, what the Westinghouse leveling?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm not gonna bother washing clothes. That's it.